Hey guys, it's Sarah. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a giveaway! I'm so excited about today because I actually hit 5,000 subscribers. I honestly didn't really... I don't know, I guess when I started my channel, I started it for fun. I started it as a creative outlet, a way of doing crafts and helping other people figure out how to do them, and I don't know, I'm taken aback. So basically, I just want to say thank you to all of you who have subscribed, who have liked, who have commented, who have watched. I appreciate it so much, and it's so motivating just to keep going and keep making videos and keep developing my channel. And even when I hit times like I'm in right now where it's competition season, I'm a theater teacher, and so my focus has absolutely 100% been on that, and I've kind of just been uploading videos I already had filmed. But you know, when things calm down a little bit and I can take my time to go back to my hobby, it's really nice, and I just want to say thank you. And how I'm going to say thank you is with a giveaway. So I kind of went back and forth with what I wanted to put in this giveaway, and I thought that it was just most appropriate to do mostly some ears, because that's pretty much what my channel is, 50% at least, is DIY ear videos. So I did try to pick ears that either are kind of on the harder side to make, or time consuming, or I don't know. I really just tried to pick ears that I thought that would cover a long range of likes for my subscribers. So there are... Yes, I did 5. I did 5 pairs of ears for 5,000 subscribers, and then I did kind of just throw some other stuff in here. So let's get into what's in this giveaway. No. Let's get into how to enter this giveaway. So first of all, obviously you have to be subscribed to my channel, so make sure you've done that. Give this video a thumbs up, and then go ahead and leave me a comment below of my favorite pair of ears. No. Your favorite pair of ears that I have ever made on my channel. So which DIY set of ears have I made that were your absolute favorite? And if you've done all of those things, then you are entered. So I know what you guys are waiting for, and let's just dive into what's in it. So the first set of ears is kind of random. I did not show these on my channel, but I don't know. I saw the supplies that I had, and I thought that these came out pretty cute. So they are Buzz Lightyear inspired wire ears, and I had all these flowers that were like purples and greens and blues, and then I got some green wire, and then I even added a little Buzz Lightyear guy. I got him in a little mystery pack, and I knew I kind of wanted to do something fun with him, so I did add him onto the set of ears. These do not light up, but don't worry. Got you guys covered. There are light up ears in this giveaway. But yeah, I just thought these were super cute, simple, and the thing I loved about these is that they're so lightweight. Without adding on the lights and anything like a bow, they're very, very lightweight. So if you're really sensitive to ears or headaches or anything, these will be great for you or your child, because again, lightweight. The next pair of ears I chose because you kind of have to go get a good bit of supplies for them, and they're very seasonal. So I went with these Vanellope Von Schweetz ears, and they have all these little candies that you can only get from Hobby Lobby when the Christmas stuff is out. So I thought that that would be good because it's not always out all the time. You can't make these all the time. And then the other reason I chose these is because honestly, there's not a lot of Vanellope or Wreck-It Ralph merch out there, and I just wanted to show the movie some love. So that was the second pair that I chose. The next pair that I chose are on the time-consuming side of making ears. I did do a video on these when I first started my channel, and I did decide to make a pair for the giveaway. So that is these Ariel inspired ears. I had to do something Ariel, being that she's my favorite princess, and it just has the purple seashell on the side with pearl trim. I did a green sequin kind of fabric on this side. This is foam, so again, I tried to keep these as lightweight as possible, and then a red bow and a dingle hopper in the center. The next pair, I actually made these, I think back in January, and I made these with the intention of putting them in this giveaway because I was getting kind of close to 5,000, and I was like, okay, if I hit it, that's what these are for. That is what these are for. So I made these light up Winnie the Pooh ears. They do have little bumblebees kind of flying around the wire, and I did kind of put I did put lights behind them just to give them a little extra oomph, and they feature this really sparkly kind of larger red bow, and then they are covered in a golden sparkle ribbon on the headband. Now, the last set of ears that I'm giving away are probably the ones that people are going to want to get their hands on the most. Again, I made these last month with the intention of putting them in this giveaway, so here they are. The Light Up Enchanted Rose ears. If you don't win this giveaway, I do have tutorials on, I think all except for the Buzz Lightyear ears, I do have tutorials on these. But obviously if you can win them yourself, you just saved yourself some time and money. So I wanted to include these just because I had so many requests for them, and I thought that so many subscribers would enjoy getting these, so I threw them in. They are supposed to be like the Enchanted Rose in Beauty and the Beast, so I did use a Beauty and the Beast stained glass fabric, and then I have these little plastic ornaments with a lit up rose inside, and then they feature a gold trim on the rim. Okay, now the extra stuff I decided to throw in here, I was just going to do 5 ears for 5,000, but I had this, okay, you'll see. So if you guys watched my Bibbidi Bobbidi Box journey, you'll know that I received this little guy in one of my boxes. Now, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I think he's adorable. I love Briar Rabbit, Briar Fox, and Briar Bear. I love them. I love Splash Mountain. But we do not need any more plushies in our house, and Kala doesn't even know who this is. She just thinks it's a bunny. So he does still have his tag on. I have not let Kala hold him, play with him. She does not know he exists. So this is a brand new plushie, no worries guys. But I really just kind of wanted him to go to a home where he would be a little bit more played with and appreciated and not just thrown into a pile of other stuffed animals. So don't worry bud, you're gonna have a good home soon. The next item I did make on my channel, and it is this little hat. This is not a big deal. Like, honestly, part of me almost questioned putting it in because I felt like people would be like, oh, whoop-de-doo, you put a hat in there. But I was like, no, my subscribers are all positive people, so it's not gonna matter. But I did want to throw this in just because as a little extra oomph. It's got the seashell from Ursula featured, and then on the side it does say Sea Witch. It's a super comfy hat, kind of matches everything, and I just thought it would be something fun to throw in extra. Now, the last thing is something, again, kind of small, but I wanted to throw it in because this is something that me and my family enjoyed doing, and I kind of just wanted to put a little Disney magic in the box. So I did go and pick up a Family Feud game. It is the Disney edition, of course, and me and my husband, we love playing board games, and so does my 4-year-old Kala. Obviously, my baby is a baby and doesn't know what board games are yet, but I'm sure she will love them when she's older. I love family time, and I think that this is a really fun way to spend some time together as a family, so I thought that it would be fun to throw it inside as well. So that is everything going in this giveaway. Again, if you are interested in entering, then leave a comment below of my favorite, no, I keep saying my favorite, of your favorite pair of ears that I've made on my channel. And make sure you have liked and subscribed. Good luck to you guys. I'm so excited to do this. And no, I know it's not a big ginormous giveaway. I'm sorry that there's no Jim Shore inside. But I did want to do something special, so I tried to pick ears that I thought would cover a lot of interests and ones that are a little bit, I don't know, special in a way, and I tried to pick a variety of styles, so hopefully you guys like this episode. I'm really nervous, like legitimately I'm a little bit nervous. This giveaway will run until March 6th. March 6th is the very last day to enter, and then the plan is to announce the winner on March 10th. So make sure that you have entered by March 6th. At that point, this video will be cut off. There will be no more entries taken. I will select the winner, film the video, and then post on March 10th who the winner is. And I will come back to this video and reply to that person's comment to let them know that they are the winner. So good luck to everybody. March 6th is the cutoff. March 10th is the day that this will be announced who the winner is. I wish you all luck, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.